Want your Outlook emails to look neat and professional? A quick way to do that is by justifying your text, and I'll show you how. First, open Outlook and head us to your Mail section. Click New Mail to start a fresh draft. This is where you'll type your email content. Go ahead and write a paragraph or two. This works best when you have multiple lines of text. Next, highlight the text you want to format. You can drag your cursor across the section, or if you want to select everything in the body, use the shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Now, look up at the toolbar. Here you'll see alignment options like left, center, and right. Among them is the Justify icon, which looks like a block of evenly aligned lines. Click it, and your text will instantly spread out evenly from margin to margin, creating a polished block of text. This small formatting change makes your email easier to read and gives it a more professional feel, especially for longer messages. And that's all it takes. Your Outlook email is now justified and ready to impress. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft tips.